Dear children, next we move on to the topic in fraction, that is types of fraction. Okay, already we have learned the definition and terms of fraction in our previous lesson. Now we move on to the, that is types of fraction. So our topic is, that is types of fraction. Okay, and that is in terms of fraction, that is the top number is the numerator and the lowest number is the denominator. Okay, the based upon that is the numerator and denominator, we have to classify the types of fraction into, that is proper fraction and improper fraction. Okay, let me classify into, that is proper and improper fraction. Okay, that is proper fraction and improper fraction. Okay, that is in proper fraction, the fraction examples are here, that is 3 by 9, 2 by 8, 7 by 11. Okay, these are the proper fraction, and improper fraction means, that is here and here. That is, observe this number in proper fraction and improper fraction. Here see the numerator and denominator. You should observe the number here, that is numerator is somewhat smaller than the denominator. Okay, let me discuss, learned in the topic, that is which one is numerator, the top number, and the lowest number is the denominator. Here that is 3 by 9 and 2 by 8 and 7 by 11. Okay, all these numerator numbers are somewhat, that is lesser than that of denominator. That is here 3 is here, that is lesser than that of denominator 9. Okay, so this is called proper fraction, and that is 2 is lesser than the denominator 8. So 2 by 8 is also a proper fraction, and here that is 7 is lesser than 11. 11 is bigger one. Okay, so the numerator is somewhat lesser than the denominator. So 7 by 11, all these fractions are called proper fraction. So do you understand the terms? If the numerator is lesser than the denominator, the fraction will be called as, that is proper fraction. Okay, do you understand, children? Okay, and next one, that is improper fraction. Okay, here that is here I gave same example, but that is a change of numerator and denominator. Here observe this fraction, that is 9 by 3. Here 9 is the numerator and 3 is the denominator. Here that is 3 is somewhat, that is 9. Okay, numerator is, okay, so numerator 9 is, that is greater than, that is denominator. Okay, and same, that is 8 is a numerator. So 8 is greater than denominator 2. Okay, and that is here 11 by 7. 11 is also, that is greater than the denominator 7. Okay, all these number here, numerators are somewhat greater than that of denominator number. So this type of fraction is called, that is improper fraction. Okay, so based upon the numerator and denominator, we can classify this fraction into two types, that is proper fraction and improper fraction. Okay, and let me move on to the next types of fraction. I am going to explain with example. Do you understand this, children? Okay, next example, that is also types of fraction, that is I am going to explain example sum. that is like fraction, okay, like fraction, okay, and the next one that is unlike fraction. Okay, it is like fraction and unlike fraction. With example, that is for like fraction, that is 3 by 7, 9 by, okay, 2 by 7, 5 by 7, 1 by 7. Okay, so these are like fraction, and unlike fraction means 1 by 3, 2 by 6, 3 by 9 and 4 by 8. Okay, this is an example for unlike fraction. So here observe this example, children, that is 3 by 7. So numerators are vary in number, and here itself the denominator are same. All the denominators are here 7. So denominators are same, that is called like fraction. Okay, in this example unlike fraction, observe this numerator and denominator. Here observe the denominator numbers. Okay, do you understand? All the denominator numbers are vary. Okay, here all the numbers are same, and here observe this, that is denominator numbers are 3, 6, 9 and 8 respectively. Okay, so vary in number, different number. So that is called unlike fraction. So the first type, that is proper and improper fraction based upon the numerator and denominator. In like fraction and unlike fraction, so observe the denominator numbers. So if it is the same denominator, which is called like fraction, and if the denominator numbers are different, the which fraction that one is called unlike fraction. Okay, and one more example for another kind of fraction, that is unit fraction. Okay, that is unit fraction. That is a third pattern. Okay, I am going to write example. You can understand very easily. That is okay. So this is an example of unit fraction. Here that is 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 7 and 1 by 9, 1 by 11 and 1 by 18. Okay, so here all the numerator number it shows, that is the number 1. Okay, that is unit, that is each one. So which is called unit fraction. So denominator numbers are different, okay, vary in number, but the numerator number here you should observe the number, all the numerators are, that is 1. Okay, so 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 7, 1 by 9, 1 by 11 and 1 by 18 is called, that is unit fraction. So thus we have discussed the types of fraction. Okay, there are 5 kinds of types, that is proper, improper, like fraction, unlike fraction, and the final one, that is unit fraction. Okay, and let me move on to the fraction, that is ascending order, descending order. Okay.